Hey friends, it's Carrie with Photograph the Magic, and I'm here at Walt Disney World. Today I'm sharing all about walls. There are a lot of iconic places in Disney World to take photos. You all know about the Cinderella Castle, Spaceship Earth, but did you know that walls are like super popular as well? They even have their own Instagram pages. There's a purple wall page, and they are becoming even more popular as time goes on. So my mission today is to show you where they are on a map, give you tips of how to take your photo in front of these walls while you're here, and just some fun ideas as well. If you're ready, let's go. So this is easily the most popular wall, the purple wall. All right, here are directions to get to the purple wall. So as you're heading down Main Street towards the castle, when you get to that Walt and Mickey statue, take a right, go under the Tomorrowland sign, and you'll find the purple wall here under this awning. And here's another view from Tomorrowland. The purple wall is right here. If you're looking for it and you're in this area, you'll be able to find it real easy. So when you walk under this Tomorrowland sign, the purple wall will be on your right-hand side, right past all these rocks here. I'll turn my camera around and show you how I take pictures of myself when I'm here. There's like different rocks and stuff set up that you can photograph yourself in front of. Okay, so these are the rocks that I set my camera on. I have my tripod here and I stand in front of them, and the purple wall is right here. And then it extends down that way, and it's just all lavender there, but here is the fun pattern. The closer you step away from the wall, get closer to your camera, the more blurry background you'll have. That pattern will get really blurry, which is really cool and pretty. It's a pretty effect. Or if you want it to look super sharp, then stand right up against the wall, and then you'll get all that detail. This is portrait mode on my iPhone. I'm stepped a few feet away from the wall so you can see how nice and blurry the background is. And this is how I look in most photos. In this photo, I'm standing right against the wall using portrait mode. You can see how crisp the wall is. I like to use filters on a lot of photos, so here is with a filter, and here's how the wall actually looks. But this is such a cute, iconic photo spot. I hope you have a great time taking photos here. All right, I'm at our next famous wall. It's the Tangled Restrooms. But the wall is really cool and pretty, so if you're over in this direction, come and take some pictures by the Tangled Restrooms. Okay, so to find the Tangled Restroom, it's going to be over in Fantasyland near Peter Pan's Flight and Small World. See, as I'm zooming in, it's up on the left-hand top there. See, you can see the restroom wall right there, right by Rapunzel's tower. On the My Disney Experience app, if you're looking for this restroom, it's the one called Restrooms Near It's a Small World. Hi friends, I'm back with another wall. This is just a cute little orange bird right by Sunshine Tree Terrace as you're walking like from Pirates towards the castle, I guess. We're out of Adventureland. It's real small, but it's really cute. So if you want a picture by Orange Bird, this is the place to find him. You can find the Orange Bird mural if you're in Adventureland. It's right on the side of Sunshine Tree Terrace, so it's almost as if you're facing the castle or heading towards the castle out of Adventureland. You'll find him right there. Our next Magic Kingdom wall is this cute Neverland wall. It's actually in the queue for Peter Pan's Flight, so if you get in line for the ride, you'll sneak your way through the queue and you'll end up in front of this cute wall. Once in a while, Peter Pan is there doing meet and greets, but it just kind of depends on the season and the time of day. I've never seen him there, but each time I've gone through the queue, we've had to stop at this cute wall. Hi friends, I'm going to show you another, it's not a wall, but it's a really fun place to take photos at the Contemporary. So if you take the monorail to the Contemporary and exit, you're going to see this big shop in the middle, the Fantasia shop. And if you walk down the hall, I'm actually going the opposite way, but you're going to find this really rad Mickey sign. I love it. so colorful. It's a really great spot for photos. All of the All-Star resorts, All-Star movies, All-Star music, and All-Star sports have these really cute Disney walls that I love. They each say Disney's and then whatever the resort name is. So this one here is All-Star music, and All-Star movies and All-Star sports also have this Disney's wall, which I think is really cute. I know a lot of people aren't huge fans of the All-Star resorts, but I loved it here. I had such a good experience. And I think this wall is super cute. They're each located right by the bus stops in front of the resort. And then at night it's pretty cool because the words or the letters All-Star movies, music, or sports light up, which is really cute. So here's just a photo of it. Here's another photo of me posing. And the shadow in the photo was driving me kind of crazy, so I edited that out. And I think it's super cute. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I have several other videos coming out showing the walls at the other parks and Disney Springs as well. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those videos when they come out. I would love if you would tag me on Instagram if you take photos by any of these Disney walls. I'm at photograph_the_magic. Have a magical day, friends.